Did you know that the secret to a Hollywood smile might not be in your toothpaste or mouthwash? In fact, those everyday products could be harming the natural microbiome in your mouth. Introducing ProDentim, a revolutionary health supplement designed to restore and protect your oral health with 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients. What is ProDentim? ProDentim is unlike any dental supplement you've ever encountered. This doctor-formulated dissolvable candy is packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and essential nutrients that help repopulate your mouth with beneficial bacteria. It's not just about fresh breath or white teeth, it's about fostering a healthy environment where your teeth and gums can thrive. The problem with common dental products. Many common dental products contain toxic ingredients that can destroy the delicate balance of bacteria in your mouth. You might be surprised to learn that while teeth can last for centuries outside the mouth, as seen in fossils, but inside our mouths, they can be damaged by something as simple as chocolate. How ProDentim works. The secret to ProDentim's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of probiotics and nutrients. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just bad bacteria that cause dental issues. An imbalance in your mouth's microbiome can be just as harmful. ProDentim helps by restoring the population of good bacteria, providing a healthier environment for your teeth and gums. Each ProDentim tablet contains 3 potent probiotic strains. First, we have Lactobacillus paracasei. This strain supports gum health and keeps your sinuses clear. Next up is Bifidobacterium lactis BL04. It balances mouth bacteria, supports respiratory health, and boosts your immune system. And finally, there's Lactobacillus reuteri. This one reduces inflammation and promotes a healthy oral environment. But that's not all. ProDentim also includes a proprietary blend of 4 plants and minerals. Inulin, which encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Malic acid, derived from strawberries, helps maintain tooth whiteness. Tricalcium phosphate supports overall tooth health. And last but not least, peppermint, a natural anti-inflammatory that soothes your gums. Safety and usage guidelines. ProDentim is designed to be safe for all ages and medical conditions. It's manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under strict standards, ensuring each tablet is pure and free from toxins. However, if you're on any medication, it's always wise to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. For best results, chew 1 tablet every morning to support the health of your gums, teeth, and entire body. Satisfaction guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. That's why ProDentim comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely thrilled with the transformation in your oral health, simply reach out to us for a full refund. No questions asked. Order your ProDentim today. ProDentim is available in 3 convenient packages. 1 bottle, a 30-day supply for $69. 3 bottles, a 90-day supply for $59 each. 6 bottles, a 180-day supply for $49 each. Best value! With 97% of customers opting for the 6-bottle package, it's clear that ProDentim is the smart choice for long-term oral health. Claim your discounted ProDentim today. Ready to transform your oral health? Click the link in the description to order ProDentim directly from the official website. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll be supporting our channel so we can continue bringing you valuable content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.